ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
kum shibanta gajing rakhe gajing dap hanyo phusan snem ha gajing yo lailo jongkari India nang tadi gajing jam jong jilla Meghalaya ye gajing yo jilla bapura ka basan pho snem bat kum jo ro gajing dap san pho snem ha gajing ye dei parlok bat kari Bangladesh ha ka sautrik ubnai nailor arajar arpuwei lapen long ye gajing ye lang ha kasnong dauki ka badan ha khapot jong ke India Bangladesh Hagani ke jingelang lami khamat na ke Sarkar Meghalaya da uba Frederick R. Kharkangor uba deu Commissioner and Secretary jong Ketenat Arts and Culture and Textiles nang tadi Uniraj Kumar uba deu Commissioner jong ke Sarkar India ha ka Assistant High Commission of India ka badan hasil head Bangladesh lembat u Abhilash Baranwal uba deu Block Development Officer jong ke Amlarem Civil Subdivision bat kiwei Nakalyang jong uba Kharkangor ula ais ngobha ha Assistant High Commissioner da kitiar bat ki jan ki bapen I ye ka dostor ka riti jong ka jilla Meghalaya bat yakini kitiar an sabo sanam ha ka office jong ka Indian High Commission ka badan hanong ba Dhaka jong ka ri Bangladesh Uba Kharkangor ula pentip ru baka Ministry of External Affairs jong ka Sarkar India haki khendiat sngi bala dep kala kenjok tin ye ka Sarkar jilla ban jit ye ka ri Bangladesh na ka benta ban rakhe ye ka azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav namar baka don ka jing sngo ye jan la ha ka liang ka khai ka pateng bat kumjo ru ha ka puli puthi Nalor kata ula pentip ru baka Sarkar Meghalaya kala pha ye ka jing terwa sha ka Ministry of External Affairs na ka benta bantay ye ka Tirot Singh Memorial ha Culture Center ka badan hanong ba Dhaka kum ka jing pensanam ye ka history jong us em Tirot Singh ubala yang ban ya khun persha ye ka jing sinshar don bor jong ka Sarkar Phareng ha ki snem khat praspa ar phokundai hadu khat praspa lai pulai
आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव commenced on 12th March 21, which started a 75-week countdown to our 75th anniversary of independence and will end post a year on 15th August 2023. It is an intensive nationwide campaign with the focus on participation of all citizens. It is being converted into a Jan Andolan where small changes at the local level aid on to the significant national gains. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is an initiative of the Government of India to celebrate and commemorate 75 years of India's progressive India and the glorious history of its people, culture and achievements. This Mahotsav is dedicated to the people of India who have not only been instrumental in bringing India thus far in its evolutionary journey but also hold within them the power and potential to enable our Honorable Prime Minister vision of activating India 2.0, fueled by the spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is an embodiment of all that is progressive about India's social, cultural, political and economic